Let us start with second EV. Present perfect tense pattern is yes plus has have plus V3 plus O. This is our pattern of present perfect tense. पूर्ण वर्तमान काळ म्हणजे घटना जी आहे ॲक्शन जी आहे ती पूर्णतः घडलेली आहे. प्रेझेंट परफेक्ट टेन्स. एक्झाम्पल, शी हॅज रीड अ नॉव्हेल, ही हॅज वॉच अ टेलिव्हिजन, they have built the house. Now she is subject, has auxiliary verb, read V3, object a novel. He subject, has auxiliary verb, watch V3, a television object. They subject, have auxiliary verb, built V3, o the house. Now move to next. Present perfect tense is used when an activity happened at an unspecified time in the past. Before the present, unspecified time in the past. When an activity has been repeated several times before now. When an activity was very recently completed before now. When an activity is not completed in the past. Present perfect tense is used at an unspecified time in the past before the present. Examples: अनस्पेसिफाईड टाइम बिफोर नाउ दे हॅव ऑलरेडी सीन दॅट मूवी. त्यांनी ती मूवी बघितलेली आहे. नॉट टाइम इज नॉट स्पेसिफाईड हिअर. दे हॅव ऑलरेडी सीन दॅट मूवी. रिपीटेड ॲक्टिव्हिटी बिफोर नाउ. वी हॅव विजिटेड न्यूयॉर्क सिटी मेनी टाइम्स. रिपीटेड ॲक्टिव्हिटी. अँड ॲक्शन हॅज रिसेंटली बीन कम्प्लिटेड बिफोर नाउ. आय हॅव जस्ट रिटर्न. मी नुकतंच जेवण केलं आहे. क्रिया पूर्ण झालेली आहे. पूर्ण वर्तमान काळ. प्रेझेंट परफेक्ट टेन्स. नाउ सी हिअर. Action not completed in the past. I have studied Spanish for many years. I have studied Spanish for many years. Indicators. Which are the indicators? That means these words are indicating present perfect tense. Before, ever, never, so far, already, ate, just, recently, for, since. These are the indicators. Now form 1. Have or has plus past participle. I have studied, I have seen, you have studied, you have seen, she, he, it has studied, she, he, it has seen, we have studied, we have seen, they have studied, they have seen. All these are the V3, third form of the verb. These are the auxiliary verbs and all these are subject. Now move to next form 2. I have walked, I have grown, you have walked, you have grown, she, he, it has walked, she, he, it has grown, we have walked, we have grown, they have walked, they have grown. Now next tense, present perfect continuous tense. Now this is pattern. Yes plus has have plus been plus v1 plus ing plus o plus for since period of time. Present perfect continuous tense in Marathi it is called as चालू पूर्ण वर्तमान काळ. क्रिया चालू आहे, क्रिया पूर्ण झालेली आहे, या अर्थाने चालू पूर्ण वर्तमान काळ. एक्झाम्पल, शी हॅज बीन रीडिंग अ नॉव्हेल सिन्स 2 hours. 2 तासांपासून ती कादंबरी वाचून राहिलेली आहे, वाचून झालेली आहे, वाचते आहे. चालू पूर्ण वर्तमान काळ. ही हॅज बीन वॉचिंग अ टेलिव्हिजन सिन्स मॉर्निंग. ही हॅज बीन वॉचिंग अ टेलिव्हिजन सिन्स मॉर्निंग. सकाळपासून तो टेलिव्हिजन बघून राहिलेला आहे या अर्थाने. शी हॅज बीन सिंगिंग अ सॉन्ग सिन्स 5 hours. प्रेझेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्युअस टेन्स is used. This tense is used to describe actions that have been continuously in progress before now. These actions are not completed. Example, I have been waiting here for the last 2 hours. 2 तासांपासून मी तुझी वाट बघत आहे. These actions are not completed. क्रिया चालू आहे. I, yes plus have or has plus been plus verb plus ing plus o. This is pattern of present perfect continuous tense. Now move to next. Simple past tense. Yes plus v2 plus o. This is pattern of simple past tense. साधा भूतकाळ. Yes subject v2 second form of the verb and object. She read a novel. She read a novel. Subject verb second form novel object. He watched a television. Subject verb object. They built the house. They subject built V2 the house object. Now move to next. Simple past tense is used when an activity or situation began and ended at a particular time in the past. In other words, when an activity or situation is completed in the past, भूतकाळात घडलेली घटना, to refer to past habits. Simple past tense is used to refer to past habit. Examples: completed action in the past, he was late to class yesterday. Completed action in the past, we arrived 3 weeks ago. Past habit, she always wrote a letter to her mother on Sunday night. Past habit, action in the past, action in the past. Indicators. Which are the indicators indicating simple past tense? Last night, week, last year, last month, last Saturday, last semester, etc. Yesterday, ago. These are the indicators indicating simple past tense. Now next one, form. I studied, I waited. You studied, you waited. She, he, it studied. She, he, it waited. You studied, we waited. They studied, they waited. All these are the formats of simple past tense. Now past continuous tense. Pattern: yes plus was where plus V1 plus ing plus O. He was watching a television. Yes, he was watching V1 plus ing a television O. She was reading a novel. Yes, was V1 plus ing O. They were building the house. Yes, where V1 plus ing object. Past continuous tense. In Marathi it is called as चालू भूतकाळ. भूतकाळात घटना घडत होती या अर्थाने. नेक्स्ट, past continuous tense. This tense is used to refer to activities continuously in progress around a time in the past. भूतकाळात घटना घडत असते. एक्झाम्पल: they were eating when the taxi arrived. टॅक्सी आली त्यावेळा ते जेवत होते या अर्थाने. yes प्लस was or where प्लस verb प्लस V1 plus ing plus O. Verb plus ing. Okay. Now next, past perfect tense. Pattern: yes plus had plus V3 plus O. This is pattern of past perfect tense. Example: she had read a novel. He had watched a television. They had built a house. Now this is yes, this is had, this is V3, this is object. Yes, had, V3, object. Yes, had, V3, object. Built is the third form of the build, past participle. They had built a house, past perfect tense, पूर्ण भूतकाळ या अर्थाने. Next, past perfect tense is used. This tense is not used a lot. It can often be used interchangeably with the simple past because these tenses do not differ much in meaning. The past perfect tense refers to activities that happened before a specific time in the past. Example: he had visited her many times before she died. Yes plus had plus V3 plus O. Past perfect tense. Now past perfect continuous tense. Pattern: yes plus had been plus V1 plus ing plus O plus for since period of time. She had been reading a novel for 2 days. ती 2 दिवसांपासून कादंबरी वाचून राहिलेली होती या अर्थाने. She, yes, had been V1 plus ing O for since period of time. या विशिष्ट काळापासून ती घटना घडते या अर्थाने. He had been watching a TV since 5 years. Yes, had been V1 plus ing object since plus for. I had been learning English since 3 years. These are the examples of past perfect continuous tense. Past perfect continuous tense is used when an activity was continuously in progress before a specific time in the past. Example: I had been thinking about her before she called. Okay, here we stop and turn to next AV.